Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to explain how quota arrangement works in SAP MM. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Before I start creation of quota arrangement, first I will create the material master. To create material master, go to the transaction code MM01, press enter key. I'm going to create material master by copying the other material. Now press enter key, enter the sales organization structure. To save the default settings, click on save default setting push button. Okay, now click on right mark, press enter key. System going to copy all the data from reference material. Press enter key, press escape key, press enter key. So here we need to maintain the quota usage. Quota arrangement usage field available in ECC. This field is not available in the SAP S/4HANA. Now press enter key. We are created material master successfully. Now I am going to create purchase info record with 4 vendors. Okay. Go to the transaction code ME11 to create purchase info record. Enter the newly created material here. I'm going to create purchase info record in purchase organization level. So vendor is 1000. Press enter key. Maintain the mandatory fields. Standard quantity I'm going to maintain 1. Enter the purchase price. I'm going to enter 10 euro. Next I'm going to create one more vendor. Price I'm going to enter 10 euro. Next one more vendor 1003. I'm created purchase info record to this material with 4 vendors. Now I'm going to create quota arrangement. To create quota arrangement, transaction code is MEQ1. Okay. Once you enter the transaction code, press enter key. Now enter the plant. Enter the validity to date. Validity to date I'm going to enter 31/12/2026. Now press enter key. Double click on this date or select this line, click on item. Okay. So here procurement type I'm going to enter external procurement. Enter the vendor. First I'm going to enter 1000. Enter the quota I'm going to enter 1. Enter the procurement type F. Repeat the same to next vendor 1001 vendor. Quota rating I'm going to give same quota rating. Enter the procurement type. Enter the last vendor 1003. Enter. For 1002 vendor, I'm not created purchase info record. Just save it. After save, I'm going to create purchase info record. Just click on the save button. Go back, create purchase info record for 1002 vendor. Go to transaction code M11 1002. Plant delivery days 10 days. Purchase group 001. Standard quantity I'm going to enter 1. Purchase price I'm going to enter 10 euro. Yes, I saved the purchase info record. Now go back to main screen. Create the purchase requisition. Before going to create purchase requisition, I will explain how quota arrangement works. Quota arrangement works based on the quota rating. Quota rating is equals to quota allocated quantity plus quota base quantity divided by quota. According to this calculation, which vendor get lowest quota rating, purchase requisition automatically choose that vendor as source of supply. Now go to the purchase requisition in ME51 in transaction code. Enter the material. I'm going to procure 50 quantity. Enter the plant. Press enter key. Click on assign source of supply. Yes, it automatically determined 1000 vendor in serial way. Why it is determined the serial way? Go back to quota arrangement screen. See here. So quota rating is 25% for each vendor. Okay, so because of this reason, system first choose the first vendor in serial. Okay, here all the vendor have the same quota rating. In this case, system choose the vendors in serial way. That is the reason purchase requisition choose the vendor 1000. Now go back to purchase requisition. Save the purchase requisition. Now go back to quota arrangement. Just refresh the screen. Come back. Fully come back. Now press enter key. Double click on this date. See, system automatically calculated the quota allocated quantity. Now go to the Excel sheet. For 1000 vendor, now quota allocated quantity is 50. Quota rating will change to 50. Next, I am going to create one more purchase requisition. We'll see which vendor system will choose automatically. Now go back to SAP screen. Enter the material. Quantity I am going to enter 70. Enter plant. Click on assign source of supply. It choose the second vendor. Why it choose the second vendor? First vendor quota rating increased to 25% to 50%. Then system will choose the next vendor. Remaining 3 vendors have the equal quota ratings. In that, system choose the first vendor. In that list, first vendor is 1001 vendor. So that is the reason system bring this vendor as source of supply. See here, these 3 vendors have the equal quota rating. So that is the reason system brings the vendor in serial way. In the serial way, 1001 vendor is the first vendor. So system brought that vendor. Now I am going to create one more purchase requisition. So before that, just refresh before that I need to save the purchase requisition. Go back to purchase requisition. Save the purchase requisition. Now go back to quota arrangement. Come back. Press enter key. Double click on this line. Yes. Now quota allocated quantities increased to 70. Now go back to Excel sheet. Quota allocated quantity is 70. Quota rating changed. Then in these 2 vendor, system again will pick this vendor as source of supply for next purchase requisition. To check that one, go back to SAP screen. SAP brings the 1002 vendor as source of supply. Now save this one. Again go back to quota arrangement. Refresh the quota arrangement. Come back. See, quota allocated quantity is changed to 60. I'm going to enter the quota allocated quantity. Okay, in the next purchase requisition, system will bring this vendor. See, system brings the 1003 vendor. Now save this purchase requisition. Now go back to quota arrangement. Come back. Double click on this. Yes, quota allocated quantity changed. In this case, if I create again one more purchase requisition, again system brings the 1000 vendor. We'll check that one also. Because this 1000 vendor have the lowest quota rating. Yes, the system bring the 1000 vendor because of lowest quota rating. Save the purchase requisition. Now go back to Excel. Quota allocated quantity increased to 60. Now in the last case, we will check which vendor it will choose when we create the purchase requisition as source of supply. As per this quota rating, system brings the 1002 vendor as source of supply in last purchase requisition. Now go back to SAP screen. SAP again bring the 1000 vendor because of equal quota rating. See here, both 1000 vendor and 1002 vendor have the equal rating. So that is the reason again system brought the 1000 vendor. Now I am going to create one more purchase requisition. Increase the quantity to 70. Go back to SAP screen. Yes, system bring the 1002 vendor as source of supply. That's it today video tutorial. If this video is useful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.